Hi, I'm Priya Aute. I work as a technical sales manager in a private company, and I came across to the free webinar of social media marketing which was conducted by Digitechniks. After attending this session, I found it very interesting and was encouraged to learn more about the digital world. So I enrolled myself to the DMSP program. This program is very different from other courses which are available online, as these are live sessions and Sharan has an in-depth knowledge about this subject. The sessions are very interactive sessions and you can ask the questions during the class which will be answered at the same time. They take real-time examples to explain the concept, which makes it easier to understand the concept. I strongly recommend Digitechniks to all professionals and beginners out there who wants to make a career in the digital marketing